Okay, open your present, Kelsey.
I'm having a little trouble here. Oh, there we go. I got it.
Wait a minute. Hang on 1 second. Let me.
All right.
This thing isn't focusing for some reason.
Well, I will stop momentarily.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Is this going to be a movie?
Yeah.
I got an itch. An itch. Alright.
Oh, what is it?
Wrapping paper. I'm very hungry right now. I didn't have much of a dinner because Mom burnt the pork chops. And, Hi, Mom. Hi. Okay. Oh, God. I'm having some difficulties here. Alright, here we go. Alright, it's a box.
What is it, Madison?
I don't want to do this right now. I'm just not feeling it. I'm a little upset. I'm not sure about it. Okay, alright, you know what? I can do this. Alright. Hi, Madison. How are you? Alright. It's tissue paper. I don't like tissue paper. Hi. Alright. You know what? I just don't want to do this right now, okay? You know what? I'm not going to be a good sport about this. Oh, it's a scarf. Oh. I'm so happy. I can't believe it. Oh, I should try it on right now. You know what? I think I should try it on right now. I'm excited. Okay. I can't seem to get it around my neck, but it looks beautiful.
Neat.
I look so fashionable.
You
I'm
really...
dealing with this. Hi, Madison. How are you? Hi, Maddie. Hi, Maddie.
Okay, say goodbye, Kelsey.
Bye, Mom.
Watch her.